students. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Okay, so I want you guys to think about all the things that you ate or drank today. What is one example of something you ate?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. What about something that you drank?
Coffee.
Coffee.
As
All
a
right.
child.
Okay. At breakfast, you probably drank some type of liquid, such as milk, water, or juice. You probably ate some type of solid food, such as toast, eggs, or cereal. And without realizing it, we all breathe different types of gases our body needs from the air. Today, you'll be learning about the 3 forms of matter, which has to do with science. So, the first one we're going to be talking about is a solid, such as this ice cube. So, a solid has its own shape, and the atoms in the solid are very tightly packed together. It can hold its own shape because the atoms in a solid are tightly packed together and there's no room to move. The next one we'll be learning about is a liquid. So a liquid could be a solid but melted. So a liquid does not have its own shape and it flows, such as water, and takes the shape of a container, such as this glass. This is an example of a gas, which is water boiling. A gas also flows and does not have its own shape. Without a container, gas can freely spread in many directions, and you can't always see them, such as your breath or carbon dioxide, which you breathe. Atoms in a gas are completely free to move around whatever they want, which is why they do not have a shape. Depending on the temperature and the pressure, matter can transition from one to another. So this solid, which is an ice cube, if you put it in a warm area, it could melt into a liquid. As you can see, when it snows and the snow melts, it turns into a liquid. And if you heat the liquid to a very high temperature when you're making pasta, macaroni, and cheese, it makes a gas and the water boils. So, today, I will make a chart on the board, and my students are going to have to come up and put each of these into a category. So we have, okay. So, this pen doesn't work.
Sorry. Solid.
Okay, so we have solid, and liquid, and gas. So each of these different sticky notes are a different kind of thing, and you're going to have to come up and tell me which one it is and put it on the correct thing.
Okay. Juice.
So juice.
Goes under liquid.
All right. So are the atoms in a juice tight together, or are they a little free?
Free. A little free.
Steam.
Gas.
Steam is a gas. And how are the molecules in a gas?
Everywhere.
Free, move around everywhere.
Float. Shoe is a solid.
So our shoes, why is the shoe a solid?
Because they're tightly packed together. Right? Water is a liquid.
So that's what you drink.
Smoke is a gas.
So smoke, something coming off something very hot.
Liquid is hot. Or hot chocolate is liquid.
The hot chocolate, which is, I bet, one of your favorite drinks.
Mm-hmm. Ball is a solid.
Oh, a ball that you can throw.
Mm-hmm. I prefer to kick mine, but rock is a solid. Solid as a rock. Helium, gas.
All right, helium is what is in balloons, which we blow up for our birthday parties.
Carbon dioxide is probably a gas.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Carbon dioxide is what we breathe in and out.
Oh, interesting.
That's what we
I feel.
Skateboard is a
Skateboard
solid. You
Milk.
can ride on it, it's firm.
Milk is a liquid.
Milk is a liquid.
And oxygen is a gas.
Oxygen is a gas. All right, so as you can see, shoes, balls, rock, and skateboards are all solids. And juice, water, hot chocolate, soda, and milk are all liquids. Steam, smoke, helium, carbon dioxide, and oxygen are all gases. All right, so this is an example of what the atoms look like in each one. So the gas, the atoms are free to move around wherever they want. The liquid, they're free, but they're a little more practically tight together. In a solid, the atoms are firm together, and so that is why solids are firm. So today we'll be learning a song on the 3 states of matter. So there's going to be motions to it, so I'm going to do it first for you guys. And just watch me, and yeah. So it goes to the beat of the Wheels on the Bus. Does everyone know that song? Okay.
I do.
So it goes, the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all day long. The floor is a solid, you can jump up and down, jump up and down, jump up and down. The floor is a solid, you can jump up and down all day long. Water is a liquid, you can drink right down, drink right down, drink right down. Water is a liquid, you can drink right down all day long. Air is the gas, air is the gas, you can breathe right in, breathe right in, breathe right in. Air is the gas, you can breathe right in all day long. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all day long. Okay,
Yay.
so do you guys think you have it down?
Of course.
All right, so we're
I
going to do
think.
it together as a class,
Yay.
and make sure you do all the motions.
Okay.
Okay. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all day long. The floor is a solid, you can jump up and down, jump up and down, jump up and down. The floor is a solid, you can jump up and down all day long. Water is a liquid, you can drink right down, drink right down, drink right down. Water is a liquid, you can drink right down all day long. Air is a gas, you can breathe right in, breathe right in, breathe right in. Air is a gas, you can breathe right in all day long. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all day long. Okay, so does everyone like that song?
Yes.
All right, so now I'm gonna ask you to stand up and do it for me.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna help you, so you need to know what the solids look like, liquid and gas.
Okay.
So if you need help, I'll help you.
I have to do all of them. Can I do
yeah.
lyrics? Is that possible?
Do what?
I just want to do lyrics. Okay.
Oh yeah, no, you need words.
Perf. Okay. So, the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all day long. The floor is a solid, you can jump up and down, jump up and down, jump up and down. The floor is a solid, you can jump up and down all day long. Water is a liquid, you can drink right down, drink right down, drink right down. Water is a liquid, you can drink right down all day long. Air is a gas you can breathe right in, breathe right in, breathe right in. Air is a gas you can breathe right in all day long. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, all day long.
All right, good job. Now, if there's more students in the class, this would be a funner activity because everyone would be doing it. But you know, we have our 1 student, and that's always fun. So, class, what did we learn today? We learned things like gold, wood, sand, rocks, apples, ice, butter, and bricks are all examples of solids. Solids are a form of matter that has a definite shape with tightly packed particles. We learned that water, milk, gas, coffee, and juice are all examples of liquids. Liquids are a form of Liquids are a form of matter that has no defined shape, but still takes up room. Air, helium, carbon dioxide, and oxygen are all examples of gases. A gas is a form of matter that has no defined shape and does not take up room. So, for your homework today, I would like you guys to go home and look around in your house, look around in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in the living room, and find things that could be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. And if you want to bring one in for next class, you can. And I also want you to go home and practice the song to one of your parents. So, yeah, that's it.
Yay!
Yay!